Welcome, in front of me is a REALME C21, and today I'll show you how to hard reset the device through settings. To get started, obviously let's open up settings. From here you want to scroll down to additional settings, then backup and reset, and choose erase all data, factory reset, and again erase all data. Once more, I guess erase all data, and once more. And finally, the process will begin. Now, this will take several minutes, so just be patient. Now, once it's finished, the device will reboot and boot us into the Android setup screen, at which point the process will be finished, so I'll come back once we can actually see the setup screen. And as you can see now, the process is finished, and you can set up your device as however you like. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.